Hello everyone, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to the channel. Today I am participating in the Mardi Gras Tablescape Challenge for 2019, hosted by two of my beautiful YouTube sisters, CreativelyMsMe with Stephanie, and This and That with Denise Jordan. The details to this open invite it was very simple. You must use 3 of the 4 colors in your tablescape, and the colors are purple, gold, green, and teal. The tablescape must also display beads and a mask, and that was it. The rest was up to the creators that are participating, was up to us. So as you can see here, I have these bins. These bins were given to me. My dad's girlfriend, she was cleaning out her storage, and she actually said, "Oh, Kim, I have a bin." And when she showed up here, it was several bins. And not only Mardi Gras bins, she also gave me luau bins. So I'm gonna go through these bins here, take a look at what I can use on my tablescape. What's not shown here is 3 huge bags, huge bags of beads, guys. So I'm gonna get my table together and I'll show you what I came up with. Stay tuned. And here's my Mardi Gras Tablescape for 2019. Let me take you in for a closer look. Now guys, I did not set a place setting at the head of the table. I have my table set for 6. And all of those settings are in the center of this table. I use that stemware from the Dollar Tree. This was done inexpensively. Everything I've used, I've had already. So that's a Dollar Tree stem glass there, wine glass. The charger, I don't know if you can tell the detail on that charger, but it is beautiful. This charger was from Dollar Tree, but it was sent to me by my sister, Christy C. The detailing on this charger is beautiful. The plate, you've seen that before. I like to use this plate from Home Goods. And here's a napkin. Not sure where I purchased these napkins from, but I've had them for a while. And I also use my Totally Dazzled napkin ring. And then I placed a mask, which was out of that bend, on the place setting on the plate there. Have my flatware flanking each side. And kept it very simple. The only thing that's different here is the mask for a male. The other one is for a female. And here's the other side of the table. Now for the center of the table, guys, I could have done so much more. Because she had a lot of items in that bin. A lot of items. But I'm going to start on the right side here. You can see the beads, which was a requirement. The colors that I've used are the yellow or the gold, the purple, and the green. The runner is something I already had. It's actually a Christmas runner. Doesn't say anything Christmassy to me. I can use it year-round if I want to. Have the beads there. The gold, purple, and green is a scarf here that I put on top of this runner. I have bowls sitting there with the spoons for gumbo. That's known in New Orleans. New Orleans. My centerpiece is a collection of many things. Those weights, I guess you call them weights. Have a couple of masks in there. Some picks. But it's a collection of many pieces. I took my gold candle sticks and placed a off-white candle, and I wrapped those candles with ribbon. And then on this side here, I just put a collection of dessert plates on top of a pedestal. This was a fun, very fun tablescape to do. Well guys, that is the end of this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Thank you, Stephanie. Thank you, Denise, for being such gracious hosts. Please go over to these two ladies, these beautiful ladies' channels. You will love them. I have been knowing them for some time now in our YouTube community, and you will enjoy what you see on their channels. Also, there will be a playlist. I'm coming a little late on this challenge due to some deaths in my family. I had 2 cousins to pass, and I asked these ladies could I still participate, and they of course told me yes, because I really wanted to participate. So there is a playlist that I am so ready to sit down and enjoy, and I hope you will do the same. That link to that playlist will be in my description box down below. Their channels, Denise and Stephanie's channel, will also be linked in my description box. Again, thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys. Have a blessed day.